Chapter 7.1 List in Pygame 0. 1. How to access list item using positive index number. Let's use list in Pygame 0.
What is list?
List makes it easy to store and access a sequence of data. List is a comma-separated sequence surrounded by square brackets. This list contains 5 kinds of fruit in order. You can access the item in the list by using the index number. List items are indexed. The first item has index 0. The second item has index 1. The third item has index 2. The fourth item has index 3. The fifth item has index 4. Hence, the first item of the list is present at index 0, not 1. Let's write the code to access the items in the list.
What does this code mean?
This code accesses the item in the list with index numbers 0 and 1.
What is the screen.draw.text method?
The screen.draw.text method can draw the text in the window.
What do these parameters mean?
Parameter 1 defines the content of the text. Parameter 2 defines the position of the text. Parameter 3 defines the color of the text. Parameter 4 defines the font size of the text. Let's run this code. The text for the first and second item in the list, the apple and the banana, are drawn.